Guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe now and click the bell to my channel so you don't miss anything. Alright, so today is my Robinhood 0 to $1,000 challenge update week 20. 20 weeks already on Robinhood. And I am up $10.18 today so far. That's really good. All in all, since August 15th, 2017, I am up 57%, $211. So, let's go ahead and get into some trades I had for the week. It was a short week because of Christmas, as well as New Year's Eve, so I know the market was closed on Monday, as well as last Wednesday or something. Anyways, so not much. I sold my GoPro, $182.63. I bought Microsoft again, $85. I put a limit order to buy Apple at $170, and then I bought 4 shares of DNR for $856. I got those dividend captures that I was talking about 2 or 3 videos ago, and got it from Good, Glad, Land, and Gain, all the different Gladstone corporations, and put in $10. Haven't put much in for a while, so I did put 10 on the 29th, and then just now, today, I actually sold NVIDIA, or NVDA, for $197.52, which is showing on my portfolio as a positive $10. So I made like about $8 and something off of that, locked it in. With the money that I got, I did buy a share of GE, and for only $17, so it was a really good buy. I want to show you what I'm currently holding right now. I'm holding Denbury, AMD, Ford, TEVA, Good, GE, MU, Microsoft, and Apple. And that's kind of what I am holding currently right now. Go to total gains and losses, and as you can see, I'm up about 46 cents. AMD, I finally broke even. Ford, I'm down 6 cents. Tibia, I'm up 28. Good, down 51 cents. GE up 14 cents. I just bought that today. MU down about 65 cents. Microsoft up 46 cents, and Apple up 80 cents. So definitely good. Definitely not bad for the week. I do still have $181 of buying power that I will be using to probably buy a little bit more DNR, maybe dabble with a few dividend captures. I know ABBV as well as ABT have dividend captures this week on the on the 11th, so I think that's next week. But I would try to get in with those two as soon as you can. And other than that, not much going on. No day trades on here, and unsettled rewards and stuff like that. So hope you enjoyed the video. Not too much going on. I hope this week will be a little bit better. It is going to be a shorter week, but other than that, I did get all this back. It was at a low of 572, and I just got it back today and made a profit. I'm at 582 again, so we're on our way to the $600 mark. Just kind of waiting to get to it. It's been a bumpy road. Bumpy ride a little bit, but overall I still am up quite a bit substantially. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe and like it, and don't forget to share it with your friends.